In this video, I'm going to show you how to get custom crosshairs on PlayStation 5 Fortnite. The first thing you want to do is you want to load into the game, and then you want to go ahead and press on the options button on your PlayStation 5 controller. Once you're over here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see settings. Then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it does say support and refunds. Then go ahead and press on support one more time. It is then going to go ahead and load into a menu that looks like this. And all you want to do is you want to go to the top left and then select on store right over here. Then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and it may take a while to actually load in. So please be patient because it will totally be worth it. Okay, once you're here, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so and just type in Crosshairs just like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. I'm really not trying to include too many cuts in this video just so that you're able to see the entire process, but just go ahead and type in crosshair. And then once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just search for it like so. And we are now going to get two options over here, Crosshair V2 and Crosshair X. What you want to do is you want to select on Crosshair V2. So go ahead and just press on that. Then it is going to go ahead and open up another menu that does look like this. All right, then it's going to give us an application that looks like this. And this is basically an app that will allow us to get custom crosshairs on Fortnite. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on get. And by the way, this is completely free. You don't need to spend any type of money or like that. And now from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and log into your Epic Games account. So go ahead and do that really quickly. Alright, so then after you sign in, you'll then get a pop-up that looks like this. So it will say checkout, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on place order. So just go ahead and do that. And then from there, you should be good to go, and this will allow you to get a custom crosshair on PlayStation 5. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.